Hi everyone, my name is Rishad. Today is the 29th of December 2025 and I'll be going over my weekly option chain analysis for Tesla and this week for the upcoming expiry on the 2nd of January. So again, keep in mind these columns here for the previous weeks are not filled for this video because it's been a while since we made them, but from next week onwards it'll all be populated. So the max open interest level for the call is 500 and for the put it's 470. The quantity is higher for CE, which is positive, and the short squeeze is higher for CE as well, which is positive. And the PCR is below 1, which is negative. Implied volatility is 39.83% and historical volatility is 41.8%. The RSI is 65.09. There is no divergence, which is positive. The MACD is positive. The DMI is positive. ADX is increasing, and it is at 22.65. That's positive. ATR is lower to 37.85. That's positive. EMAs are both increasing. VWAP is 42.61. Pivot point is neutral here because we don't have a comparison point, and the candlestick is bearish. That's negative. The current support is at 470. I need to just update this. And the current resistance is at 500. And overall, based on this option chain analysis, we can expect Tesla to go up. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Enjoy, and I'll see you in the next video.